All right, guys, let's watch the video now.
Always be ready to lose anyone, because people change like seasons. One day you're their everything and the next you're just a memory. Loyalty is rare, promises fade and feelings shift. People swear they'll stay, but when the storm comes, they disappear. That's why you should never beg for anyone to stay. If they want to walk away, let them. The ones who truly value you will never make you question your worth. So focus on yourself, build your life and protect your peace, because at the end of the day, the only person who will never leave you is you. Silence is power, and distance brings clarity. When you stop chasing, you see who's real. When you stop giving, you see who's genuine. Not everyone who claps for you is happy for you, and not everyone who smiles at you has good intentions. So, move wisely, watch actions instead of words, because the right people will never make you fight for a place in their life, and the wrong ones will remove themselves when they realize you won't settle for less than you deserve.